Hi, I'm Mike Booth, I'm a writer and filmmaker, and I recently made a CGI version to the opening sequence of Thundercats. Now, if you've seen the video and you've read the description, you know that at some point my plan is to make a Thundercats short film. Now, the challenges of making a short film are much greater, much harder than what I've already done, which is to basically take something which already exists and recreate it shot for shot in 3D. That is comparatively simple because what I want to do is create an original short story. So this will feature all the main Thundercats. And it's not only got to appeal to the fan base, but it also has to appeal to new fans, people that have never seen Thundercats, don't really know anything about it. This is what I'm trying to achieve, and I've already written the script, but I can't make this by myself. There's just too much. I've never done lip syncing, subtle facial expressions is just something I've got no experience of, and this is why I was going to wait 10 years, because it's just too much. But I've been thinking that I don't need to do it by myself. There's so many people around the world who are passionate Thundercats fans who are much greater artists than I am. So why not just pool our resources and make it together? So what I'm asking for with this video is I need 3 people. There will be more down the line, but for now I just need 3 people. A character artist, so I need someone who's going to design all the characters. The main thing I would say to that person is just keep it loyal to how the characters look in the original series. I'm not looking for anything drastic, no. I'm definitely not a fan of when people make the characters look too much like cats, you know, they kind of flatten the nose off. It's not something I want. I want to try and keep it as close as I possibly can to the original look. So if that's something you're interested in doing, I'll put an email address at the end, but I'll need you to send me one character design for Lionel. And so I want a full body, head to toe, and I also want a head and shoulder shot to see how their face looks. The second person I'm looking for is a storyboard artist. So if you're already a storyboard artist, you'll know exactly what this entails. I need you to take my script and turn it into like a comic book, so I can show all the other people involved exactly what we're making. And if that's something you want to apply for, just shoot me an email, and just with links to things you've already done, that'll be fine. And the third person I'm looking for is a 3D supervisor. So I have very limited experience in 3D. I'm looking for someone who does have professional experience, who can help me pick how many 3D artists we need, lighting artists, scenic artists, riggers, and also is able to communicate amongst them and coordinate our efforts a little bit better than I would be able to do by myself. So if you want to apply for one of those 3 roles, you can email me at tcatsfanfilm@gmail.com, and if you could also make the subject heading the name of the role that you're applying for, that would help me out. I'm going to put a preliminary deadline of 31st of September on this. I don't know how many people I'm going to get applying. It might be loads, it might not be very many at all. But if we say 31st of September to email that through, that's a good place to start, I think. There's one other way that people can help. I'm very aware that there'll be Thundercats fans around the world who don't necessarily speak English and don't have a clue what I'm talking about, but would want to do something like this. And I don't want to exclude anyone. So if you speak another language, please download this video, redub it, upload it again, and if you send me a link, I can then paste that link in the description and open it up to people of other nationalities. There will be other jobs for sure in the future, it's just those 3 I'm asking for now, so please don't email me if you're after any other position. Those will come at a different time. But otherwise, please send through your applications. Can't wait to get started.